In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change attachment settings in Outlook. We'll walk through these steps together, so whether you're looking to customize your email experience or troubleshoot attachment issues, you've come to the right place. Let's dive in. First, our journey begins with opening Microsoft Outlook. Now, this might seem quite basic, but it's crucial to start from the right place. If you haven't already, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Microsoft Outlook website. Once you're there, you'll want to look to the top right corner of the screen. It's likely you'll see a sign in option. This is your next stop. Go ahead and click that sign in button because we need you to be logged in to access and adjust your settings. Once you've clicked sign in, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Don't worry if you don't remember your password right away, you can always reset it if needed. Just make sure you enter the correct credentials to gain access to your Outlook account. After you're logged in, it's time to locate the settings menu. Again, we head to the top right corner of the screen where you should find a gear icon representing settings. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop down menu with numerous options. From the settings menu, you'll want to select the option labelled attachments. This is where the magic happens. Once you're in the attachments section, you'll be presented with various settings you can adjust according to your preferences. If there's a toggle switch related to attachments, pay close attention. Sometimes the setting might be turned on by default and you might want to toggle it off or adjust it depending on your needs. For instance, you may want to change whether files are uploaded to the cloud by default or attached directly. Now, after you've made your preferred changes, the next step is crucial. Don't forget to save your changes. In the lower corner or perhaps at the top of the settings window, you'll see a save button. Click it to ensure that all the adjustments you've made are successfully updated in your account. It may seem like a simple step, but trust me, it's essential to ensure your changes are preserved. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the Outlook settings to adjust your attachment preferences. Hopefully you'll find your email experience more aligned with your expectations now. If you found this helpful, be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your Microsoft tools. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.